Hi, my name is Edith, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to send wellness check-ins. With ClinicSense, you have access to communication tool referred to as wellness check-ins. This tool will automatically reach out to clients who have not booked an appointment in a while via email with the intention of encouraging them to book an appointment with you. To activate your wellness check-in, click on Communication and select Wellness Check-ins from the left menu. Here, you will be able to edit your wellness check-ins, including the subject, when to send, if you offer a promo code, and design your email. Now, please note that once your wellness check-ins are on, ClinicSense will check your client list every day for any clients who have gone without an appointment for your specified period of time, for example, 12 months. We will then email those people wellness check-ins. If they don't book an appointment, we'll email them again in 2 weeks as a reminder. If they still don't book an appointment, their name will be added to your wellness check-ins report, so you can choose if you'd like to call or text them. Wellness check-ins are specifically sent to clients who reach the selected number of months since their last appointment in the future. It does not go to clients who have already surpassed this timeframe in the past. Clients' names will appear on the Wellness Check-ins report after we have emailed them twice to let you know that our efforts to get them to rebook were unsuccessful. You can find the Wellness Check-ins report by clicking on Reports and then selecting a Wellness Check-ins from the left menu. And that's how you send wellness check-ins. If you have more questions, please reach out to support@clinicsense.com. Have a lovely day.